Good morning, guys. Good morning, garden. In today's video, I will be mulching the rock flower bed, and this is how it will look like at the end. So pretty, isn't it? I also added a before and an after shot here, so you can see the difference between how does it look like before and after mulching. So first, I will need to remove the weeds from the garden, and after that I will apply the mulch. But before that, let's take a short garden tour. So here I have a few lavenders, I pruned them in a previous video. So this is one of the blackleaf elderberries I planted last year, and it already started to have little leaves and it's awesome. This is a genie magnolia having lots of buds, hopefully we'll have lots of flowers. These are the English daisies I planted last week. So this is an ornamental blackcurrant. The variety's name is King Edward and it will have awesome blossoms. I can't wait to show you them in a few weeks. And we already have flower buds on it. Look at this guy, so pretty. We have an ornamental grass here that is variegated, so in the summertime it is white and green, but in the springtime the new growth is pink. More English daisies here. So as I said, I will start the process by removing the weeds. After this I will start applying the mulch. So mulching is not only for aesthetic reasons, even though it looks beautiful, but it also can help with weed suppression, keeping the moisture in the ground for longer. And after it breaks down, it becomes part of the soil, making it lighter and less compact. And this is a great help for me because in my garden I have really compact and clay soil. Okay, now sit back and enjoy.